All right guys, we're back out here again in the demo area, and today we're tackling one of our toughest coatings yet. This is Line-X. This is what you guys see in the back of trucks. We also have a Jeep bumper. It's plastic, but it's also been coated with a Line-X-like material. So we're gonna tackle this stuff. We're gonna go crush glass, and then finally we're gonna attack it with garnet. This whole test we're probably gonna run 120 PSI, and we're gonna stick with the SLV nozzle on this one. All right guys, let's get blasting.